separate your hair literally in half, and we'll do one half with the Dyson and the other half with a standard domestic dryer.
It's a little bit quieter than a normal one. What do you think?
Yeah, it is definitely quieter.
It feels really powerful, like in terms of the airflow. Like it feels like there's a lot of hot air coming at me.
Is it too hot?
No, but it feels just about like a normal dryer, I think.
There is a point where the hair is actually sticking to the handle.
I think this is actually the hairdryer that I use at home.
It's a different noise.
Different noise.
Yeah.
I think the Dyson was quieter.
It hasn't got a quarter of the power. It isn't giving out as intense heat as the Dyson.